Hi guys, today we're going to be making key lime fat bombs with a few substitutions in the recipe. Right here where it says vanilla, we're going to use vanilla cream stevia, and where it says gentle sweet, we are going to use the sweet leaf powder. And other than that, here is all our ingredients. I use Kerrygold grass-fed unsalted butter, the vanilla cream sweet leaf stevia drops. We've got our cinnamon, coconut oil, almond meal, our lime juice, and I actually use 3 really large limes. There's the zest from our limes and our cream cheese. Let's get started. Sorry I sound so terrible, I'm sick today, but I promised you guys I would make these, so that's what we're doing. There goes the cup of almond meal, a tablespoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of the Kerrygold butter. Okay, and we are also going to use half a teaspoon of the vanilla cream drops, which I'm going to put the phone down to actually put in there. Also 3 packets of the sweet leaf powder. And then we are going to turn this on and start mixing on low and gradually work our way up. When we're done, it should be kind of a gooey consistency to where we can roll it in a bowl, and I'll show you that in a minute. So you want to get about a teaspoonful of the mixture, a little over, roll it in a bowl, and slowly use your fingers, it's easier with 2 hands, but I'm videoing right now, to work it out there all the way around, which I'm about to do. Okay, so this recipe makes 12 cupcake size, and we've pushed out our bottoms, and we are going to cook that for 7 minutes in a preheated oven to 350. Now while that's cooking, we're going to make our filling. So far in here I have our 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, the 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm about to put in 2 tablespoons of lime juice and the grated zest from the limes, and 3 to 4 packets of our sweet leaf stevia. Okay, so I ended up making that 5 packets of this in the mixture here. And we are going to blend that until it's smooth, which is going to take a little bit. So our crust just came out of the oven, and we're going to let it cool before we put our other mixture in. And I'm going to take these out of here, let them cool, sit me cool. So here's our mixture that we're going to pour on top of the crust, and it's absolutely beautiful. I just tasted it, yum. If you want green color, you can add things, but I don't need it to be green to know that it's key lime. Anyway, it's got a slight green tint, as you can kind of see, but we're going to put this on top of the crust as soon as they cool. Okay, so now we're going to start adding our mixture, at least a tablespoon to each. We can go back and add more later, just push that around. Ooh. Yep, we're going to get some more. Right, like that. Now we want to pop these in the freezer for 1 hour. Don't forget they're in there because we need to transfer them to the refrigerator after that, and just put them in a container. And we will be done. Here's our fat bombs out of the freezer. I just took this one out of the container so you can see. That's how they turn out. Sometimes I do cook this crust a little longer. You'll have to look at it when it's coming out of the oven and make sure it's golden brown. That's one of my tips. And then you can go ahead and just put these in a container and put them in the refrigerator and eat them as needed. They don't last very long around my house though. Everybody loves them. They're 170 calories per serving, as per the ingredients I used. You can use an app like MyFitnessPal and put in your ingredients and figure out the calories on the ones you make. But that's our tutorial for today.